Entire specimens can be examined under the light microscope, providing they are small enough to be mounted on a glass slide. They may be mounted in cavity slides or depression slides. All wet specimens for microscopic examination must be covered with a cover slip to protect the objective lens from water, oil, stains, and dirt. In this video, you will observe cheek cells. Cheek cells are eukaryotic cells that are easily shed from the mouth lining. It's therefore easy to obtain them for observation. Place a drop of fluid in the center of the slide. Obtain cheek cells by gently scraping the inside of your cheek with the non-sharp end of the toothpick. Once you have collected your sample of cheek cells, rotate the toothpick in the fluid to release the human cheek cells. Add a drop of methylene blue.